If you want to connect apps with Zapier quickly and without confusion, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Zapier is one of the easiest ways to connect your favorite apps so they can work together automatically, and once you know where to click, the setup is very straightforward. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get to the App Connections area, create a new connection, search for the app you want, and finish the connection process. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the Zapier dashboard, look for the section called App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps all of the apps you've connected and where you can add new ones wherever you need them. Click on App Connections to open that area. Next, you'll see an option to create a connection. Click on Create Connection to begin linking a new app to your Zapier account. After that, Zapier will ask you to search for the app you want to connect. In the search bar, type the name of the app you're looking for. For example, if you want to connect Shopify, just type Shopify and wait for the app to appear in the results. Then click on the app name to continue. Once you've selected the app, click Add Connection. This is the step that starts the authorization process so Zapier can connect to that app on your behalf. Depending on the app, you may be asked to sign in and approve permissions. If that happens, enter your account details for the app and follow the prompts carefully. In some cases, you'll also need to enter your store link or account link, especially if the app requires a specific store or workspace address. Type that information exactly as requested, then click Connect to finish the setup. Zapier will now verify the connection and save it to your account. When it's done, the app will appear inside your connected apps list and you can use it in your Zaps and automations right away. If you ever want to connect more apps, you can repeat the same process from the App Connections page. And that's it. You now know how to connect apps with Zapier in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next automation guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.